Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. I hope all is well with you and your family. So, hello, 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 hello. How is everyone? Hello, everyone. I hope all is well with you. So, we will be looking at the following: introduction of trade scholars. What should you know as a newbie? Basic technical analysis you must learn. What's news today on BTC? And how to trade with news. Okay? So that's what we will be looking at. You must learn what's news today on BTC and how to trade with news. Okay? So that's what we will be looking at. You must learn what's news today on BTC and how to trade with news. Okay? So that's what we will be looking at. I was shocked my voice is playing again. Okay. Okay. So we are now recording. We are also now live. So in trade scholars, you can learn many things, especially this technical analysis. So our goal here is to equip everyone to build their own technical analysis. They can fish. Okay? You will learn how to fish. We will not give you the fish. We will give you the means to get the fish by your own. Okay? That is much better than giving you the fish itself, because alone you can make your own technical analysis. Okay? So this can we can be talking about this many things right here. So I am RJ. I will be your instructor, or what do we call this one in our ads in Facebook. So I am this one. So I'll be your financial analyst, okay, and crypto trader, okay? So as a background for me, I am RJ. I'm happily married for 3 years. So my wife is happy and I am married. Okay, so I've been in the market for 5,000 hours and lost at least $2,000 in day trading. Okay, so I treat it as my tuition in learning the market. Okay, so if you spend money in going to school, so you also need to spend money in learning technical analysis in trading and to use money, real money, okay? Not just doing chartings and all. So now I have become a profitable day trader and I earn back my loss and more. I have side hustles, like I give signals in Discord. So I give signals in Discord. I make a YouTube channel. I provide contents for YouTube channel. So here, somebody is asking me right here, what's your thought about BTC? So I am an analyst also in a Discord channel right here. So people are asking me what I think, because I send them this in my channel right here, and I showed them that my technical analysis is working. So it went according to it. So now they are asking me. I am their live streamer also here. So that's me, your instructor. Okay. So I also give analysis video for clients in Upwork. I make 10 to 20 videos daily in technical analysis for crypto coins in YouTube channel like XRP Hut. So I am their content provider. I have technical analysis courses in Udemy and other crypto related courses. So basically, I am a full-time day trader and a technical analyst. Okay? So that's getting to know your teacher. Okay? So what you should know as a newbie. So okay. Can you hear me now? Is it clear? Can you hear me clearly? Okay. So this is our first live broadcast, okay? So bear with us. We will continue to improve our daily technical analysis. We can show you charts and all, okay? So you can know how we do it and you can do it on your own as well. Okay? So what else do we have here? So what you should know as a newbie? So for now, as a newbie, we need to be like a sponge, that we are teachable, willing to learn, unlearn, and relearn. So as a newbie, trading is emotional, roller coaster, emotional roller coaster ride. Okay, so that's the word. It's like you are in a roller coaster. Okay, that's an emotional ride for roller coaster with you. Okay, so we are here currently. So basic for technical analysis you must learn. So there are a lot to cover actually. So these are the table of contents for this trading course. The psychology of the trader, candlestick patterns, divergence strategies, trend strategies, chart patterns, Fibonacci strategies, company fundamentals or new strategies, leverage trading for crypto, and conclusion. So this can be we can cover all this. Okay? So there are so many topics to cover. Okay. So we will check our stream setting. Let me see if we can edit the chat. Okay. Our chat will be only for subscribed people. So kindly subscribe so you can leave your comment. Hello. RA, shout out, watching from Davao City. Loud and clear, Lance Reyes. Thank you. That's great to know. Okay. So, subscribe so you can comment, okay? Next live stream, we will open it for people, even for those who are not subscribed. And subscribe with our channel, okay? Check the description below. We have our Facebook, our YouTube channel, okay? So Trade Scholars. So check it out so that you can subscribe, okay? So let me show you our channel first. Trade Scholars. So let's see. This one. Oops. Let me check the Trade Scholar. Trade Scholar. Okay, this is the Trade Scholar. Okay. So you can find our channel for now. Trade Scholar. Okay. So you just check this one. Like, no subscriber yet, so it's hard to find, okay? So you subscribe here because we will be doing the live stream most of the time here. Okay? So you find TradeScholar. Okay, let's have, how can I share this? Uh, okay, just find this one. View channel on YouTube. Okay, you click subscribe. Okay, and click the notification bell. All. Okay. So no videos yet, but we will be making videos here. So make sure to subscribe, okay? So, and we also have Twitter and TradingView, okay? Okay? So I hope all is well with everyone. So let's continue. So basic technical analysis, you must learn what's news today on BTC, how to trade with news. Okay, so basic technical analysis. If I can show you the basic, I can tell you to use a candlestick pattern. And this is the best way. Okay? This is the best way to trade. If you're a newbie, you can start with a candlestick. Okay, so this is a candlestick. Okay, so the high will be in the long wick of the candle. And this is the closing area. And this is the opening area of the candle. Okay, it opened here and then it closed here. This is a green candle. It means it's going up. Okay, the price is going up. And the long wick here is the low. Here, the bottom, the low. Same goes to decreasing bearish candlestick. The open candle is right here. The high is right here. The closing is below. It's opposite, right? So it's opposite. So it means the candle closes below. It's downward, okay? It's a bear candle. Okay? So if you want to know trading, candle will be the first thing that you need to get familiar with, okay? Because you will see lots of candles. Like this one. Can you imagine looking at this chart and you don't understand? So if we are in 15M, which means 15 minutes, every candle means 15 minutes. Okay, so if it is 4 hour, 4H means 4 hour, every candle means 4 hour. So 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. Okay? So that's how it works with the candle. Let's continue. So for basic, this is only basic, okay? I'm not teaching you anything yet. I'm just teaching you how to look at candle for now. Okay, so this is a bullish candle. Once it says bullish, it means it's going up. Okay, once you see these two candles together, one big red candle and one small green candle, it means the third candle will be growing up. Okay, if you see a small red and then a big green, it means the third candle will also be green. Once you see the red candle and small green candle and another big candle, it's called morning star. It's also a bull candle. Okay, let's check this one first. Okay, let's find some candle that looks the same as this one. Okay, bullish harami. Okay, or this bullish engulfing. Let's look at the candles right here. One small, one big green. One small red, one big green. One small red, one big green. This one, bullish engulfing. You see this one? One small red, one big green. This one is the bullish engulfing. That one. Can you see it? So after this, you see the next candle is another green. Right? So this simple candle pattern I'm teaching you is introduced to us by Japanese. Okay? You see, when Japanese teaches us, we better listen. Okay? Japanese teaches well, especially in the area of money, right? So they are the one who taught this one, this candlestick pattern. Okay? That's why it's accurate and it's close. Okay? So let's continue. Another candle that you can see, a morning star. One big red, small green, two, and another green. Let's check if we can find that same. Oops. Okay, that one. Red, green, green. Here. Or red, green, green. Here, this one. Can you see it? A small green and then a big green and then it went up. This three. The same candle right here. Small green, one green, and then green. So, what is the name of this one? This three candle? It's called Morning Star. Okay? So, it's Morning Star. Okay, so you just get to know these candles right here and it will teach you a lot about the market. Okay? Before, when I was just starting, what I do is I trade daily candle. Here, I click that daily candle right there, and then I look for these candlestick patterns. I don't know how to trade really about trading hourly, 15 minutes. So I just look at the candle, and then I'll find something like bullish engulfing. If I find this one in the trade, it's forming. This one. Do you see this one? Do you see this one? This one is Morning Star, right? So can you imagine, this is a daily time frame, 1 day. It means every candle stands for 1 day. So another candle, another candle. So this is Morning Star. So we are expecting that the next candle will be green. So I trade here. I buy in the opening of the candle and then I sell somewhere up. Okay, because I know it is going up. Because my technical says so. Okay, the same here. Morning Star again. Okay, this is Morning Star. And then it went up again. Okay? So that's how easy learning this candle. Okay, bullish harami or bullish engulfing. Let's try to find one. Here, this one, bullish engulfing. From downside, now it's forming an upside. One small red, one big green. Can you check this one? Bullish engulfing. One small red, one big green. So the next candle is supposed to be green. So can you see it? It went up. Okay? So that's the basic of candlestick pattern. So even if you don't know the drawings, this one and all, even if you don't see all those drawings right there, I tell you, even if you don't know all the charts that I will be showing you, even this Ichimoku cloud, I will explain to you later, this EMA ribbon, all these are supplement to your technical analysis. Okay? So that's how you look at, this is for the newbie, okay? So it is my desire that you spend more time in the market. Because the more you spend time in the market, the more you grow your knowledge in the market. And if you spend at least 10,000 hours, 5 to 10,000 hours in the market, I tell you, you'll be a professional day trader. And once you're a professional day trader, your trading will be profitable. Okay? Because you have learned the skills. This is the hardest easy money. That's the word. It's easy money. It's easy money to make money in the market, but it's the hardest because you need to study all these things. Because in trading, you are not trading against the chart. You see this chart right here? You are not trading against this chart. You are trading against the trader. Okay, you need to know how to read minds of your opponents. Because every time you gain $100, somebody behind the screen lost $100. Okay? So their money went to you. And once you lost $100, somebody earned $100. Okay? So that's a picture of day trading. So we better explore well this area. Okay? bullish Arami, bullish engulfing, morning star. So that's the picture. Okay? So I will just teach you a little, okay? So at least you have a glimpse of what we are going to talk about in the coming days. Okay? So I hope you don't get angry at me for teaching you short, okay? So now, the next part we will be looking at is what's news today on BTC. Okay, what's the news we have? Do you have any news in BTC? So our news in BTC right now, this one. Let me open the news. TA, Bitcoin resumes decline. So TA. So news is important, of course. Especially for the traders. Especially for the traders of stocks. Okay? Because in stocks, people cannot influence stocks. Just like crypto. Like one tweet of Elon Musk and the Doge goes 30% up. One tweet from Elon Musk and then the SHIB coin goes 100% up. We can do that in crypto. But try doing it in stock market. Elon Musk tried it with the Tesla. And when he did, he tried to influence the market. He got kicked out from being the CEO or the president. He was kicked as a president because that's not good. Okay, they will pay penalties for influencing the stocks. So how do people legalize influencing the stock market? They use the news. Okay, news. They let the news bring out some good news, and then the stock pumps. They let a news goes bad news, and that stocks goes down. Okay? For example, Omicron. The news in Omicron. Okay, I am not trying to talk about health here. I am talking about stock market, about the market right now. So I am looking at the Omicron with the perspective of a trader. So how do we look at this one? So they need a news that can dump the Bitcoin. Okay? And you can just imagine if you look at the history of Omicron news and the Bitcoin crash until now. I tell you it's related. It's not because of Omicron the crypto or the stocks dump. No. It's not the fault of Omicron. The big people uses the news so that they can dump, the institutions can dump on the retailers, the food. Who are these retailers? We are the individuals who try to buy stocks, who try to buy crypto. You see, you know it's FOMO, fear of missing out, once your neighbor is already talking about it. Imagine your neighbor did not talk about crypto and then he is already talking about Dogecoin. It means it's a FOMO already. Okay? So once all the retailers come in, another news needs to break out so that the people will not think that the stocks is manipulated. Okay? Or the crypto, of course, we know. So these news are used so that they can legally sell their share towards the retailers. So the people, the insiders, once we call insiders, the CEOs already sold 70 billion of their share. Okay? Elon sold shares. So he sold at least 5 billion. This is November. CEO sold shares. 2021. So the insiders, here, CEO insider sells a record of 69 billion of their stocks. Imagine, the CEOs are selling their stocks up to 79%. versus a 10-year average according to insider score. Meaning these CEOs, like here, you can see Mark, you can see Jeff, you can see Elon selling their stocks. And it's a total, whooping total of 69 billion. So these insiders are selling against the, who are they selling against? They are selling against the retailers. Of course, they did all this during the Omicron. So November, December, they've been selling their shares. So let me ask you, if these giants are already selling their shares, they know something is up, right? So if we are the traders and we don't go short, either we are more wiser than these millionaires, these billionaires, or our trading doesn't really make sense. Okay? So that's the importance of the news, so that you get to know the news. The news will influence the price of the market, especially this kind of news, right? So that's what I'm trying to tell each one of you. Okay? So that's how you look at the news today. Okay? So now, let's go to our trading. Okay? Let's do the trading right now. So let's check BTC right here. There's a lot of drawing right here. So you can see my drawings right here. The predictions and all. So we have a strong resistance right here with 0.382. Okay, so that is the downside. But before that, let us delete all these things so that I will do the technical analysis in front of you, okay? This one here is called volume. So when there is a volume, it's a good price. Like this one, long candle, there's a big volume. Okay? So let's remove the MACD. I don't usually use MACD. Okay. Remove the volume. Let's remove the awesome oscillator. Let's remove this one. Let's remove the news right here so that we can have a clear picture of the Bitcoin. Okay? So let's go to our weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. So how do you look at this weekly time frame? If you look at weekly time frame, we are seeing a shape of shoulder, head, and then forming shoulder. So if we are forming a head and shoulder pattern with the breakout here, this is the breakout for the head and shoulder. Once this breaks out, this red candle right here breaks out, this will be a confirmation to the head and shoulder. So how do you trade head and shoulder pattern? From top to bottom, you put it here, and then our target profit will be 17,109. Okay? So this will be our target profit, 17,109. If this one breaks out, our head and shoulder pattern, okay? So can you see the picture right now? Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. So what do we have here? So in our daily time frame, we are still looking at head and shoulder. And let's delete this one. We are seeing what this one? What is this one? Green, double red. What is this one? Base here, we are looking at evening star. Can you see it? This one, evening star. Green, double red. Right? So this evening star is telling us that the daily candle, the next candle will be a bear candle. Once you say a bear candle, meaning it's going down. It's going down. Okay? So this green candle right here is expected to be another red candle right here. Okay? So we still have 13 hours for this trade to close. Okay? So we are looking at 1 daily time frame. Daily time frame. Okay? So now, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So for 4-hour time frame, we can see a picture right here of, let me draw a line for you so you see what I'm seeing. So this is our chart right here. Here. So if we are having, what do you call this one? This is a falling wedge. So if it is falling or it is descending, this is descending wedge, triangle, descending triangle, you pull out from top to bottom. And then from top to bottom, you take it out and then you place it in the breakout area. And then this is the target profit right here. 51,959. Did it hit the breakout pattern? Yes, did it hit. So this is the high here, 52161. So can you see it? So from here, we can know that this descending triangle has proven that this is already a breakout and has hit already the target. So after hitting the target, it went down again. Okay. Let me show you another pattern right here. W pattern. Call it double bottom or you can call it W pattern. So how do you trade a W pattern? From top to bottom, from bottom to top, and then pull out the breakout area, and this is the target profit. 50,865. Did we hit it? Yes, we hit it again. Okay? So, what I'm showing you right now is what we call the trend line analysis. Okay? You are using the trend lines because this is a strong resistance right here. Strong resistance right here. Strong resistance right here. Strong resistance right here. And once it got broken, it pumped. Okay? So that's the picture of the strong. And this is a support. 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 Okay? Support. So it's been tested and it's a strong support. So that's how you recognize chart patterns by drawing trend lines. Okay? So as you draw trend lines, you will know how to trade the market. Okay, so I have shown you here this falling or descending triangle. So right now, let's go up here. What pattern are you seeing? So let's draw another trend line right here. Bottom, support, and then right here. Okay, so support and then breakout. Let's also pull out some right here. And then right here. Okay, so this is a resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay, so that's a strong resistance right there. So based from here, you are looking at a rising pattern. Okay, so what kind of rising pattern is that? We are looking at a rising wedge. Okay, so from top to bottom, if you want to take profit from here, so you pull it out and then you place it here. Because this is the breakout of this one, the rising wedge is downside. Okay, so you pull out the from top to bottom and then you place it in the breakout area and that will be your target profit. Did we touch the target profit? 47,552? Yes, we touched the target profit. Okay, so we have touched the target profit already. So now let's look at another support resistance, and there's a strong resistance right here. Here, that's a strong resistance right there. Can you see it? Okay, there's a strong resistance right there. Okay, so it has been touch, but it constantly support, 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 resistance, 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 resistance. So it broke out here. Okay, so that's how you look at the support resistance. Okay, so do you see another pattern right there? Can you see any pattern? There is a W pattern right here. Can you see an M pattern? Here, M pattern. That's right. So this is an M pattern right here. So once an M pattern is, it's like a double top, or this one M pattern, you pull out from top to bottom from the M pattern, and then you pull it out, and then you put it here for the breakout area of the M. Okay, this is the M pattern. Okay, so the breakout will be up to here. Okay, so the target will be right here. Okay, so basically our M pattern has been touched also already. So we have hit the descending, the falling, the descend, the rising wedge, and we have also hit also the target of this M pattern. Okay, you see it? So how do we recognize that it will happen? How do we recognize that this one is going to fall? That is how, what we need. We need the, let's pull out some AO, awesome oscillator. Awesome oscillator will help us know why it is not going up anymore. Look at this one. This is the volume of the trade of the candles. So if it is going up, it is going up. So look at this one. This one is lower, higher low, higher high, and then another higher high. So it is going up, right? So our volume, you look at it, the awesome oscillator, and it's also higher high. So it's going up. So it means we are still going up. So if you buy here, then you can still sell here, higher high. But once we reach this high, we draw again, higher high, higher high, right? But look at the awesome oscillator. Is it telling you the same? Is it higher high? Oops, it's a lower high. The volume is telling us that it doesn't have any volume anymore to go up. Can you see the picture right here? So it's not going up. It's going up right here in the candlestick, but in our awesome oscillator is telling us, no, this is the bottom. You need to short. If you touch this one, you short it, you make money. Okay, and truly what happened is it went down. Okay, that's why we call it awesome. Because it can predict the direction. Okay, so that's how important awesome oscillator is. Okay, so we are still looking at BTC right now. Okay, so let's look at Ichimoku cloud. Can you see the Ichimoku cloud? For Ichimoku cloud, let me show you and let me delete it. Ichimoku cloud is, this one is the first level of support, second level of support, the third level of support, and the last level of support. So basically all these are support and resistance. The strongest is the last. Okay, so imagine you have touched this twice and you have touched this, it went up, because it's a strong support right here. Okay, but once you cross, it becomes hard to break. Okay, so here it crosses, it touches the support, the cloud, then it pumps again. Okay, so you can see how strong the cloud is. Let me show you 8-hour time frame. Let me show you here. Can you see the Ichimoku cloud? Can you see the price right here? Once it touched the Ichimoku cloud, it pumped. Once it broke, and then the blue line also broke out. I will introduce you in the Ichimoku cloud, okay? So don't worry. we will learn this stuff right here because I'm teaching it right here in the divergence strategy, the chart pattern. So I have taught Ichimoku right here. Okay, so you will get to know our Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so you have nothing to worry here. I have a teaching here in Ichimoku. So you stay tuned so that you get to know how to use these charts right here. It looks hard, but it's actually easy to use. Okay, so once you touch, it pumps. Once it touch, it pumps. Once it touch, it pumps. That's how powerful our Ichimoku is. Okay, so let's look at the daily time frame. Do we have in daily time frame? So daily time frame, so you can see our head and shoulder, it rested so long in the Ichimoku cloud. That's how powerful our cloud is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's been tested 7 times and still it pumped hard. Okay, so it went higher. That's how strong. This one, it tried 1, 2, 3, but for the 4th time it broke. It went down. Okay, so that's the role of our Ichimoku cloud with this trading. Okay, so let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at our chart again here. So we are currently below the cloud and it's crossing. So we are in danger of staying in the downside. Okay, so that's what we are seeing right now for the Ichimoku cloud. Let's pull out the EMA ribbon. So the EMA ribbon also tells you about the coming reversal, just like this. When the ribbon crosses all the yellow to the upside, it means it's going up. If all the ribbon goes the downside, it means it's changing direction again. Okay, so that's the picture of EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is every line is a line of support resistance. So usually it's a place where it bounces. So just like here, the M pattern bounces in the ribbon, but once it breaks, so usually it's a hard resistance. You cannot escape easily the ribbon. Okay, that's how you look at this EMA ribbon right here. And also we have an RSI. How do you use RSI? Once you click that RSI in the indicator, you look up that one, RSI, then you have this one, and you click it, this will show you. So in RSI, it will also tell you if it is overbought or oversold. Okay, overbought or oversold. So just like this one, this is oversold. So it has been sold. So now it's going up. Okay, because it needs retracement, right? So that's what I was talking right here. Later. Okay, so this one is upside. It overbought, so it went down. So once it overextends, okay, this one overextends, it has tendency to go the opposite place. Okay, so this one overextend and now it went down. Okay, so if you place your order here and you wait and then you sell here with the oversold, or you wait up to here, oversold. Okay, oversold. So that's how you look at RSI. This is something basic. This one is too deep, the oversold right here, because it's a dump. Okay, it's a big dump. So it's oversold. Okay, so right now, let me show you something in our 1-hour time frame. Okay, so in our 1-hour time frame, we are below the EMA ribbon. Okay, below EMA ribbon, but we are now residing in this Ichimoku cloud, Tenkan Sen. This blue line is Tenkan Sen. Okay, so there's a name for this Ichimoku. Okay, so the blue is Tenkan Sen, the red is Kijun Sen, the cloud, the below the cloud is Senku B, and the green in the cloud is Senku A. Imagine another Japanese again. Okay, so every time Japanese people make something, we can really use it for technical analysis. Asians, Chinese, Japanese, both are brilliant people. Asians, they are good, really. Okay? So they have contributions here. Okay. So, we are looking at 1 hour time frame. Let's remove first our Ichimoku cloud so that you don't get as dizzy, and the EMA ribbon. And let's draw some patterns right here. Okay, let me pull this up so it can be bigger. So we are forming a new pattern right here. Okay? So this is the one that I am showing you. This is what we call, how do you see this one? This one is channel down. Okay, it's a channel down, it's going down. Okay, so it's going down. So the breakout area from top to bottom, then your take profit should be right here. So this is the breakout, and your take profit should be right here. Okay, this should be your take profit where there is a strong support and resistance. Okay, if you pull this one from top to bottom, then your take profit will be a little higher. It can hit up to the resistance of the M pattern. So this can be a strong resistance, just like it has become a strong support for this and this, so it can become a hard resistance. Okay. So with this one, we are seeing it's going sideways. So it's still testing our new trend line right here. It's a strong support right here. Okay, so if you place this long candle, long line right here, so you can see why it's a strong support. There's so many multi-time frame support resistance. Imagine, they bounce here, they bounce here, they bounce here, they bounce here. So no wonder they have hard time breaking it, because everybody bounces here. It becomes a resistance. They get rejected. Okay, so let's look at this one right now, and let me show you how are we going to trade this one. Okay, so with this one, you need to pull out some Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci retracement. Okay, before pulling out Fibonacci, let me pull out some trend line here. This one, this one. So right here, we are seeing a trend line right here, from here crossing up to here. So this is a trend line. This is a rising wedge, right? So you can see it, a big wedge, right? So if you want to know the target profit for this one, from top to bottom, okay, and then the breakout area here. So the breakout area is still here. Okay, this is the breakout area, so this is the target. Okay, so that's what we are looking at right now. We can also see an M pattern here, or head and shoulder. Let me show you the head and shoulder I'm seeing. Shoulder, head, shoulder, breakout. Okay, so how do you take profit from it? From top to bottom, and then your breakout area still the same. Okay, so we have hit all the take profit area currently. Okay, that's why we are now sideways, and we are looking and waiting for the new form to arrive. Okay, we are over sold here, so we are supposed to go up. Our awesome oscillator is telling us there is still volume. Okay, the 1 hour time frame, going down. Right now, there is no volume yet. Okay, so we are in the sideways and we are in the waiting time. Okay, so let's pull out now Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci retracement. This is the retracement, and this is named after Fibonacci. So it's named after him. Okay, so he's Italian. This time he's not he's a mathematician. Okay, so Fibonacci, but now it's Fibonacci. It's named after him. So if from here, this Fib lines, we can see a strong support and resistance. Okay, so let me pull out the accurate Fibonacci line. So here, let's pull out from here to here, and let's cover it all. Okay, can you see? Look at the Fibonacci line, how accurate it is. The Fibonacci line is being the place of support and resistance. Let me delete this one. Let me delete this one. Okay, so it has been a place of resistance right here. Oops, I see a new form right here. Okay, thank you for this new form. So here, Fibonacci line. This is the resistance right here. So we can see it's a strong resistance and they cannot break it for now. Can you see the form with me? W pattern, right? Or we call it double bottom. Once we have a double bottom and you see this big oversold right here, this will be the last and it should be going up right now. So let's pull out this from top to bottom. Our target for this one is this one. Okay, so it's that one, 48,597. Okay, another target profit will be this one for the upside, 49,018. Okay, this is the breakout area for this one. Okay, so that will be our target profit for the upside. But if we are going to the downside, because the downside is the 4-hour time frame is not overbought yet, just a little crossing but now has sideways, and the volume still has so much power with it. Okay, you can see the power of the volume, so big volume right here. So you can expect really that it will still go down. So it's just waiting for volume to kick in and then trade starts again. Okay, so look, how are we going to trade this one? Then in placing your support and resistance, always place your support and resistance above the fib line, 0.618. So if you place your order here as short, then your stop loss is above. Okay, so if you place your order here, your stop loss will be above that one. Okay, a little above. Okay, so you take profit every hitting the support resistance, the support. Okay, for scalping, the target for this one is here, 41.5. Okay, so it's kind of big. So our target profit for this one for closer trading is this one. Okay, so this is the pricing wedge and it fell and now it's forming new trend. Okay, so I hope You get to understand our BTC. This is our first technical analysis for today, live technical analysis, okay? You can follow our YouTube channel, TradeScholars. Follow this one, subscribe, and click the notification bell, okay? So that once we do live tomorrow here, you can follow right away. And also check you can also check our Twitter account. So you can check our Twitter account in the description below. Twitter, you can check our TradingView if you want to follow us in TradingView, and Telegram. Welcome TradeScholar. So Telegram is the most important part because here we will grow our community in Telegram. Okay, you can ask us, you can ping us, you can message us. Of course, we will keep the Telegram group healthy and we will continue to remove scam people so we can protect our group also. So it will be a group for like-minded people who wants to learn trading, okay? Just like the people here who also wants to learn trading. I have a group here, groups of analysts. So this is analyst discussion. So here, so everybody is contributing also. So it will happen the same here in Telegram, okay? TradeScholar community. Okay? So this is our TradeScholar community. So somebody joined already. Giselle and Telead. Okay? So join and be part of it. Okay, so we have some question and answer portion. Do you have any questions about our technicals today? Do you have any questions? If you're asking when are we going to start this exciting lessons you have prepared for us. This is Fibonacci right here. Ismail, okay? Ismail. Okay? So I will be teaching all this stuff with you. Okay? So if you're asking when it will be starting, join our Telegram group so that you will be updated. Okay? Because we will have 2 live stream. One in the afternoon and the other in the late in the evening. So the first one can be a training where you can learn how to do technical analysis, and another, this one is more on technical analysis. Okay, you can ask us to do TA about XRP, about Doge. Okay, you can ask us to trade these things. You can ask us to do technicals for this. Okay, so that's what we are doing right now. Okay, so do you have any questions? Any questions at hand? Do you like the music background? Something solemn, or you want something loud? Okay? Okay. So if no questions for now, then we can continue it tomorrow, okay? And feel free to give your suggestions in Telegram group, okay? How we can do better in our technical analysis, live trading technical analysis, live technical analysis of the coins, okay? So you can suggest and we can improve our live stream, okay? I hope all is well with you and your family. Okay. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. All the best, everyone. Cheers. Let us make some money. Okay, all the best.